All right, everyone, welcome back to the Theta Communications YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be diving into a special project that's collaborating with Theta Edge Cloud, Theta Compute, as well as Unitree. First and foremost, of course, let us thank our Theta stakers as well as our Tfuel stakers over on ThetaCommunications.com. You all make this content possible. Appreciate all the support, as well as make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below to boost Theta-related content in the YouTube algorithm. All right, let's dive in. Let's head on over to VentureMind AI. This is the project that we're going to be discussing today. And full disclosure disclaimer, I am a VNTR token holder, so please do your own research, and none of this is financial advice. All right, let's dive in here. Let's talk about the collaboration with Theta and Unitree here. So let's dive into Unitree. As many of you know what Theta is, Unitree is a robotics company developing these humanoid robots that are far and beyond anything I've seen from Boston Dynamics and other competitors. These things are very, very well put together, and the videos have been amazing. Just go look up Unitree on YouTube. You'll find a sea of videos of them doing really, really cool things, and we'll talk about the cost efficiency too. I think the cheapest one is $16,000 on the low end, so this collaboration here is only going to get more and more entrenched into society as the deflationary elements take hold with technology. All right, let's go into the white paper here. Let's go over VentureMind AI and what it's building. And it is a AI tool builder and NFT marketplace. So you'll have a setup here where you can develop your own tooling as well as utilize tooling that's already pre-built in, and there's a marketplace here. You'll have credits just like Google Cloud where you'll be able to utilize those, deploy those, pay for different tooling that's been developed by other people, and utilize them within your own business. So super important, no code tool creation. We've always been a fan of that, low to no code, as the new AI layer has abstracted away the challenges of programming languages and other varying things that are underlying a lot of the structure that's existed between 1999 and now. So all of these things going forward is going to streamline the development of the creator economy. So being able to customize your prompts, test and deploy, and then minting as an NFT is really cool because now you can have an NFT within a marketplace that can be shared, it can be sold, it can be rented. And I think that's really cool as these programs and functionalities can then be deployed within the Unitree robotics elements, right? So that is the future, and that is the true engagement going forward, and why we all believe in the Theta ecosystem as data is the new oil, because these new use cases are going to be endless, and the amount of creation, we've already seen that with Midjourney where they had to go to a payment model because people were generating so many images. With this, you basically have a 3D printer, and people are developing designs, and then they can sell or rent those designs to other people. So, and what's great about this is that there is revenue share for the creator. So if you develop something within the AI tooling, you can put it on the marketplace, and you can earn a percentage for each sale, rental transaction, or use of that tooling. So you have an incentive, there's monetization, and you're starting to see the development of the new economy right in your face right here. So there's a lot of different industries with robotics. I think mainly they're focused on security right now until we develop some more higher end use cases. So like construction, site surveillance, security patrols, property management, same thing, site surveillance, security patrols, site inspections, right, or non-lethal security, all different things. Inspections for sure, especially if you can have a visual camera and low latency compute going back to the originator, and they can then go through the video footage that the robot has proceeded with. So campus security, campus surveys, content creation, I think, is a big one, utilizing robots within content creation for social media purposes. And I think that's the base of utility right now. But I think the building blocks that this marketplace is going to set up for everyone is going to be progressional, and new users are going to come out with new ideas, new ways to use the robotics platform. So let's head on down here. So I really like this here. Operator requirements for high security jobs undergo full KYC vetting, interviews, and specific training before they are allowed to operate robots. That only qualified individuals are entrusted with operating robots in sensitive or high-risk environments. I really think KYC, unlike payments, I believe in privacy of payments, but with robots, you have to be very careful, because there are many movies that have spoken about this, where if you give an anonymous person the capacity to write programming to a robot that potentially could harm other human beings, you do want to know who the originator is. You don't want that obfuscated or hidden away, because and it starts to bring about some of the challenges of freedom in society, and probably going to be some of the testing of some of the amendments within the United States Constitution, right? Because there's going to be a varying subset of challenges with robots that are going to be posed, right? And all it's going to take is one drone with a weapon to really start that next chapter of, what's going to be changed, how we're going to handle things with robots, and what's necessary. So I really like that they're putting KYC for this kind of business model. Payments and human freedom, totally separate discussion on that front. So let's dive in. So we have Solana. They've built their coin on Solana, and that is where the VNTR token and the utility token lives. And this gives a discount for utilizing the token, just like Edge Cloud, within the ecosystem there. So here's where it's really exciting, is the EdgeNode Cloud Service. VentureMind AI utilizes Theta Network's EdgeNode Cloud Service to stream real-time video feeds for robot operators and others monitoring robot activities. This feature ensures that operators can control robots in real time with minimal latency, providing a seamless user experience for security, inspections, and content creation. The EdgeNode GPU services are used to power some of VentureMind AI's premium AI tools. So the compute power is underlying this protocol here and being used, in the lower tranches as a layer or a subset. And this is where a lot of people won't even realize that they're utilizing Theta Edge Cloud, Tfuel, underlying all of the projects and protocols that are being built on top. This is just the first iteration of something like this. And as things proceed forward, Theta truly becomes that compute layer that feeds projects and companies like this out in the world. And as more and more data, as more video feed data, as more action data for the robot to go perform or do, right? Let's just say lawn mowing, for example, right? And we generate with AI, it knows when to mow the lawn, it knows how to judge the grass before it mows the lawn, right? All extensions of previous technology that hadn't made the leaps and bounds without AI. So let's talk about subscription plans. You can pay a monthly subscription, discounts, and they do have a comprehensive staking program. We'll see how the token supply seems pretty tight. I haven't dived fully into the distribution of the coin itself here, but I do really like the compliance here, like I said before, with the KYC stuff, with robotics, not so much the AML stuff. I'm more concerned about the robotics side, because we've seen this story before. You don't want robots to get deployed Order 66 style, like Clone Wars, right? So very excited about the roadmap. This is an early stage project, so again, please do your own research. This is not financial advice. Go read the white paper for yourself, make your own decisions, your own judgments, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. And as always, I will see you all on Tfuel Island. Take care. Bye-bye.